Hi Boys and Girls Club. I am going to set outside and take a little bit of a walk this afternoon. And for today, I'm going to recommend that you take a look at the San Diego Natural History Museum website. Miss Vanessa will put links down here in the comments area for you. There are two things, an area called the iNaturalist and something called Nature Bites. So if you can't get outside, there's clips of videos of animals and plants and things that live in our ocean that you can explore right from your home. So have fun, and I'll see you tomorrow.